The Fulani did not invade Nigeria. Their story began long before Nigeria existed. 4 centuries, the Fulani were nomadic cattle herders living across West and North Africa. Their lives revolved around movement, following grass, water, and seasonal routes necessary for survival. As the Sahara Desert slowly expanded, fertile land disappeared. This environmental change forced many Fulani groups to migrate southward and eastward, not in search of power, but in search of pasture. Between about 1000 and 1500 AD, Fulani communities gradually crossed the Sahel, moving through regions now known as Senegal, Mali, Niger, and the Chad Basin. There were no borders at the time, only open land and established kingdoms. This long journey was peaceful and gradual. It was shaped by climate, cattle, and survival, laying the foundation for the Fulani presence in West Africa. By the 13th to 15th centuries, some Fulani groups reached what is now northern Nigeria. They settled among the Hausa and Kanuri peoples, often living on the outskirts of towns. Initially, they were known as herders, traders, and Islamic teachers. Many paid taxes or grazing fees and avoided political authority, focusing on their livelihoods. Over time, Fulani Islamic scholars gained respect and influence. By the 18th century, some became critical of local rulers, accusing them of corruption and unjust practices. In 1804, this tension led to a turning point when the scholar Osman Dan Fodio launched a religious reform movement. The movement spread across much of northern Nigeria and resulted in the creation of the Sokoto Caliphate. Through this process, the Fulani transitioned from migrants and scholars into political and religious leaders. Over generations, Fulani and Hausa cultures blended, forming the Hausa Fulani identity known today. Their story was not written in a single moment, but over centuries of movement, belief, and change.